Hello everyone, dear friends, my name is Alexander. I'm glad to see you on my cryptocurrencies channel. On the channel we will talk about cryptocurrencies and we will provide you with information about various projects, how to participate, in which I will personally take part. Subscribe to our channel so that you always be up to date. Please keep up to date with information related to high risk. Our channel is only information and does not compel you to act. You do all the work yourself, at your own discretion, and always before do something, analyze. So let's get started. We are on Fractal, where we can get free FCL coins, which are already in circulation and can be sold. Let's just say what is it and what will we give coins for. And I will tell you about the project itself. So the project Fractal is a protocol with open source code designed to share our data, which means that we can create our personal card with their initials. To pass on, they want verification in other projects. Simplify verification methods. You can create a card once and use in other projects, so you don't transition always intersect for everyone. Integrate it so that we can do everything. So let's do it now. How much will they pay us? And let's go a little lower for them. So here is what we get. 500 FTL tokens every month and it's land. At the moment it's $2,000 I will say. 4 days ago they started the main sit down after testing the test networks. So why are we getting these coins? We get coins for using the protocol that collects information about the sites that you go. You will see the protocol itself after going through the verification. I provided a link that I would advise you to do if you want to participate. At the beginning, of course, the browser will be downloaded. You will not have any information and the cookies will be deleted, so there is no passwords and only use it for this protocol information. I will attach them under the description and you will get familiar with them. As long as your wallet is active, so is your data are kept secret and safe locally on your device. Okay, I will not prolong the video, so let's move on the wallet installation. I forgot to tell you about the referral link. Here will be the referral link. When you click it, you and I will get 25 coins at the end. Later, after they installing the wallet, you can create a referral link by yourself. Later you can send it to your friends and you will also receive 25 tokens. It is about $12, all is here. Okay, now let's see some more information about the installation. I will leave a link under the description which will be returned as soon as you click the link in the mail. There will be a registration box, after which you can get everything. Enter your mail here, and after you will have to write down the code, which will continue to go through CPress to download the wallet install. Install the data extension itself. Here we enter the password, and we confirm the password here as well. So here we also enter our email. The link has been sent to our email. Here we have to agree to the terms of this. Now we will have to pass verification, so to submit documents for ID verification. As you can see on my balance, I have 11 coins and there is a green tick that I have passed account verification. On this page I also want to draw your attention to the video. Here it also shows how to follow all the steps to register and start receiving coins. Be sure to watch the video to participate easily. I will leave all the links under the description and also on our medias. This project in my opinion deserves attention, so if you want to participate, all links will be in the description. Read the information first and then proceed to register. Never make a quick decision if you don't own the information. Fractal Protokol also wanted to say that it was created in the Polkadot ecosystem, and soon there will be an auction on parachain.com. Follow our channel to be aware of all events, and also subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you do not miss the new video. At this stage, thank you for watching. I wish you a nice day and see you soon.